Hello and welcome back. So in this video I am going to demonstrate two easiest way to connect to your EC2 Linux machine from base Windows OS. So you don't have to use any third-party software like Putty or MobiXterm in order to take SSH of your Linux machines on Amazon EC2. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm already logged into the console. I'm in the North Virginia region and I've already created an EC2 machine to which we are going to connect. Let's look at the property of it. I have already created a key pair to connect to this. Okay, and my key pair is there in the downloads folder, mykey.pem file. Okay. So the first easiest way to connect is you have to select the EC2 machine that you want to connect to and just simply click on connect. You will be presented with four options. Okay, so the very first option is EC2 instance connect. So with this option you can just click on connect and you will be connected to this machine into a new browser. A new browser will open up and you will get access to this EC2 machine. Your default username is EC2-user. So I'll just type it back because by clicking it I have removed it. Okay, so it's back now. So I'll just click on connect and you can see a new window opened up and I'm into the EC2 machine. It's that simple. You don't need any tool, anything, any extra knowledge to do this. Just launch your EC2 machine, click on connect and you are inside it. So I can use some Linux command just to check which operating system it is. So you can see this is a Linux, okay, Amazon 2. So this is how you connect to your EC2 instance. You can also sudo su to become root and you can run all the privileged commands from here. Now this is the very easiest one. Now the second one is to connect to it via the command prompt, via the shell. So Windows command prompt. So in order to take access from Windows command prompt, there is only one prerequisite, that is you need to have Windows 10 operating system, okay, not below that. So Windows 10 and above, you just hit the command prompt and you get the access. So let's grab the IP address of this EC2 machine, and now what we are going to do, where we have the key file mykey.pem. So this is the easiest way to navigate. I'll just go to the browser URL and type in cmd to open up command from there itself. Okay, so I am there in the command prompt and I will just type in any Linux command like this, SSH-I, and then I have to provide the key name, then EC2-user, the user of the machine, sorry it was a typo, at the rate, and then the IP address of the machine that I want to connect to. I'll hit enter and I got the access. I can become sudo su, I can install yum install httpd, so I can do any operation I want to. Okay, I'll put s, it will install. So this is how easy it is to connect to an EC2 instance without having any third-party tool like Putty or MobiXterm. So if you want to connect to an EC2 machine and you are worrying how you are going to connect from an Windows machine, so these are the two easiest way to do it. Okay, for the next video I'll show you how you can use Session Manager to connect to it. So here you don't require even to have a key pair, and for EC2 instance connect we needed a public IP. Without public IP this EC2 instance connect will not work. So if you don't have a public IP, that is if you are having a private IP, and also if it is without a key pair or with a key pair you want to connect to it, you can use Session Manager. So in the next video I'm going to show how you can use Session Manager to connect to a machine which has a private IP or within a private subnet of an VPC, or it's even without a key. So that's that easy. This SSH client is something that we used to connect to using Putty or MobaXterm. So this is demonstrating how to connect to that. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you in this video. We'll meet in the next video where I'm going to demonstrate about the session manager. So thank you and hope to see you again in the next upcoming video. Till then, bye bye, good luck.